Hi friends! Welcome back to my channel Mini Teaching. Today I am going to teach you how to write letter G. First we will learn how to write capital letter G. First you must write an open curve. Then a standing line. Then a sleeping line. This is capital letter G. First, we will write an open curve, then a standing line, then a sleeping line. This is capital letter G. I will show it one more time. First, we will write an open curve, then a standing line, then a sleeping line. This is capital letter G. Now we will learn how to write small g. First you must write a circle, then a standing line and like this. This is small g. First you must write a circle, then a standing line, then like this. This is small g. First you will write a circle, then a standing line like this. This is small g. Now we will write two letters together. First we will write capital letter G. This is capital letter G. This is a circle. Then we write standing line. Then like this. This is small g. G for giraffe. It's very tall. G for grapes. G for grass. Now I will teach you the sign of G. Now we will learn the sound of G. G, G, G. Practice at home. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, share, like, and let's see you in the next video.